Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. This is how to duplicate Google Forms. So first thing that you will do is simply go to Google Forms, and now from here just simply select the form that you want to duplicate, and after that from here just simply go to the top right corner and go to more over here, or the three dots icon, and now you should be able to see here make a copy, and a pop-up window will show up, and just simply provide the name of the copy document. I'm gonna go for event 2, and now you could go to my drive over here and you could select a certain folder depending on your selection. Now you could just simply share it with the same people or not, and just simply select make a copy, and after that it will redirect you to your new copy, and you should be able to just simply publish it, and after that just simply select publish, and you could share it to the other people by clicking on the publish and copy the link. There you go, see ya.